Good evening everyone. Welcome to Vayalil Capital, the financial superstore market updates. Market close. Benchmark indices ended higher with Nifty above 11,900 supported by the auto stocks. At close, the Sensex was up 127 points or 0.31% at 40,685 and Nifty was up 33.90 points or 0.28% at 11,930. About 1,656 shares have advanced, 1,019 shares declined, and 142 shares are unchanged. Maruti Suzuki, M&M, Tata Steel, Power Grid Corp and Bajaj Auto were among the major gainers on Nifty, while the losers included UltraTech Cement, Shree Cements, HCL Tech, HUL and GAIL. On the sectoral front, except pharma, other indices ended in the green, led by auto with nearly 3% gain. BSE Midcap and Smallcap indices ended higher. Markets consolidated further for yet another day and ended marginally higher. A mixed trend was witnessed on the sectoral front, wherein noticeable buying was observed in auto, consumer durable and capital goods space, while realty, IT and healthcare traded subdued. Finally, the Nifty index settled at 11,931 levels. However, the broader markets outperformed, wherein mid-cap and small-cap ended higher by 0.5% and 0.7% respectively. All eyes are on US markets for updates on the stimulus package and upcoming presidential elections. The news on COVID-19 cases in Europe will also remain on the participants' radar. Volatility usually remains high in stocks during earnings and we are seeing a similar trend. Amid all the market in offering ample trading opportunities, but the key is to identify the right stock. Since the bias is still positive, we'll suggest continuing with buy on dips approach. The declining COVID-19 infections, progress on vaccine front, improving quarterly earnings along with FII inflow aided market sentiment, Nifty 50 has surged 57% from March 23 low, while the Nifty Midcap Index went up 55% and small cap jumped 75%. But in the last 1 month, the broader market has had a tad bit of underperformance compared to frontliners as the Nifty 50 gained over 10% against 6 to 7% gains, reported by midcap and small cap indices each. Experts feel as the economic recovery continues in the coming months, the broader markets will outperform over equity benchmarks. The 2-year rolling return indicate that the market has turned in favor of small and mid-cap stocks, which are most reasonably valued and offer greater upside potential. In the coming week, the traders need to be disciplined and careful while trading. On a weekly bias, the market has formed a narrow-ranged inside body formation. It is certainly going to invite major volatility in the coming week, which is coincidentally last week of the current month's F&O contracts. The market has spent time between the levels of 12,030 and 11,770. In between, the market witnessed stock-specific sizable correction in index gains, namely Reliance, TCS and HUL. In the coming week, if these stocks start reversing from their current loss, then it would not be difficult for Nifty to cross the level of 12,050. The ideal strategy should be to trade long above the level of 12,050 as it could push the market towards 12,300 or 12,400 levels, near to its all-time high level. Below the level of 11,770, Nifty could fall back to 11,428, where it has left a bearish gap on a weekly chart. Gold updates. Gold held steady on Friday as expectations that US stimulus package would eventually be past offset pressure from a stronger dollar. The Nifty was stuck in a 75-point range for the day on the back of below average volumes. This is a characteristic of range-bound market which is defined by indecisive movements. A clear direction will emerge only if we get past 12,050 on the upside or break 11,650 in the downside. Now, let's move on to performance of Indian indices today. Sensex went up by 127.01 points to close at 40,685. Nifty 50 went up by 33.90 points to close at 11,930. Bank Nifty went down by 5.85 points to close at 24,478. Nifty Small Cap 100 went up by 36.70 points to close at 5,994. Nifty Midcap 100 went up by 134.90 points to close at 17,306. Let's have a look into commodities and currencies. British pound trading at rupees 96.22. US dollar trading at rupees 73.62. Brent crude trading at dollar 42.73. Gold MCX trading at rupees 50,905. Silver 1 lot trading at rupees 62,746. Every day, sun rises and gives us a message that darkness will always be beaten by light. Let us all follow this rule in our life and enjoy this festival. On behalf of the whole team of Vayalil Capital, let me wish you a very happy Vijayadashmi. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day. This is me Tirtha signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.